Staycation in Bulacan for only 1,500 pesos? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to La Casa Dalmasio Resort in Santa Maria, Bulacan. If you're looking for a budget-friendly staycation na may social vibes, perfect for couples, barkada, family, or even work trips, this is the place for you. Imagine waking up beside the pool, chilling with your friends, cooking your own food, singing videoke at night, and just enjoying the weekend without spending too much. Dito sa La Casa Dalmasio, you can stay for only 1,500 per night for couples or small group of 2 to 3 person. And if barkada kayo, may 3,000 barkada package good for 4 to 6 persons. Super sulit, 'di ba? Pang budget pero pang aesthetic ang place. Complete ang amenities nila, may main pool, kiddie pool, showers, and even full kitchen with refrigerator, water dispenser, stove, and cooking utensils. May barbecue grill din sila so pwede kayong mag-ihaw with your friends. For fun, may darts, videoke, and a half basketball court. So kahit buong araw kayo dito, hindi kayo maboboard. Maglalagay na nga din sila ng billiard pool soon. Spacious din ang rooms nila. May barkada room good for 8 people plus additional rooms if marami kayo. Malinis ang CR, comfy ang beds, and perfect for overnight stays. Meron din silang TV if you want to watch and chill. If you're a student, freelancer, or remote worker, this is also a perfect workation spot. Imagine working beside the pool, laptop on the table, coffee on the side, productive pero chill. Family-friendly din siya lalo na for kids. May kiddie pool where babies and kids can safely enjoy the water. At night, ibang level ang vibes dito. Ang ganda ng lighting, ang peaceful ng paligid, perfect for late night kwentuhan, bonding moments, and Instagram photos. If you want the whole resort exclusive, may full resort packages din. On weekends, day rate starts at 8,500, overnight at 10,000, and 16,000 for 22 hours. On weekdays, mas mura pa, 7,500 day rate, 9,500 overnight, and 13,500 for 22 hours. Good for 15 guests na ito, and you can also add extra guests and rooms if needed. May parking space din for 3 to 4 cars, so hassle-free ang road trip nyo. So, whether you're planning a barkada getaway, family reunion, birthday party, couple staycation, or a chill work retreat, La Casa Dalmasio Resort is definitely worth checking out. Affordable, aesthetic, complete amenities, and super chill vibes. Lahat na nandito. So message them now, book your stay, and experience your next staycation at La Casa Dalmasio Resort in Santa Maria, Bulacan.